Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Angel if you are new here, and welcome back to another video. As requested from my latest makeup tutorial, we are doing a makeup look using all drugstore makeup, and we are doing a little bit of underpainting. Okay, something new on my channel. So if you guys would like to see how I got this beat, then just keep on watching. Let's go ahead and jump right into it because honestly I do not have all the time in the world. Sorry if you hear the fan going, you guys. I am just hot and I'm trying to get ready. I'm trying to hurry. We got to get out of here. Listen. And I am back using my old camera lens, and I hope you guys actually enjoyed this video. And I'm hoping it focuses a lot more better than that last lens, because that last lens was about to drive me crazy. Let's go ahead and do this makeup. In my last video, you guys said that you wanted to see a drugstore makeup look next, so here we go. Your wish is my command, honey. I feel like I'm sitting so far away from y'all. Y'all think I'm a little far? Should I come a little closer? What y'all think? For my primer, I'm going to be using this one from the drugstore. Now, some of the makeup items that I have to show you guys in today's video are new. Some of them are not. So this one is a new product for me. As you guys can see, it's still in this package. And this is the e.l.f. Matte Primer Grip Primer. So I'm so excited to try this one because I absolutely love their original Power Grip Primer. The one with the blue. Y'all know what I'm talking about. I love that one. I think I've used that one recently here on my channel. But because the summer months are approaching, I definitely need something that is going to adhere to my oily skin and help my makeup last and not get me super oily throughout the day. This texture is really nice, y'all. It almost feels like Elmer's glue. I've been dying to do this, so let's see if it works. Wow, that's pretty cool. It worked. For my foundation, I'm going to be using this one from L'Oreal, and this is the L'Oreal Fresh Wear Foundation. I absolutely love this foundation, you guys. This is my go-to foundation when I want a natural finish makeup kind of look, but I also want my makeup to last all day. I literally wear this one to work. I wear this one out, baby, wherever I need it. She got me. And she here to stay on my face and in my collection. I actually have another one. This was in the shade 525. I probably end up using a little bit of this one because I know my skin is slightly tanned. Girl, if you watch the vlogs, y'all know how we just talked about expired makeup, right? Why does this foundation expire 3/21? This foundation is like a couple of years old. I'm embarrassed. This primer is blending really, really nice with this foundation, girl. I am so upset with myself. I've been telling myself for the past few days I need to do my little mustache. Still ain't did it yet. Still have not done it yet. And I'm supposed to be wearing like a cute Barbie kind of pink lip. Girl, it ain't gonna work. It is not going to work. I love when my makeup looks like skin. As much as I love a matte look, like I love when the foundation looks like skin. This looks so freaking good. Too good. L'Oreal, I've been using this foundation since 2021. Just in case you could not tell. Yeah. There's actually a lot of new e.l.f. products that I have to show you guys in today's video. So yeah, I'm excited. For my bronzer, I'm going to be using this one from e.l.f. and this was in the shade Deep Intense number 8. And I'm excited to do a little underpainting in today's video. I've done this once off camera and I really enjoy how it turned out. But I must say I do feel like underpainting is good for my girlies that have a more drier skin texture, or you want to like play with underpainting during the winter months. And we're going to start with just a little bit because I don't want to go too crazy. Especially because this is liquid. And I'm also going to put a little bit on my forehead. Something like that. It don't have to be perfect, okay? I have this e.l.f. brush, and this is their liquid bronzer and contour brush. I'm going to use one side for contour and the other side for my blush. And I am going to be taking the more fluffier side because honestly, I do not want like a contour look. I want more of a bronze kind of look. I'm for sure a bronzer girl, y'all. opposed to contour. Now I see why this hyped up, because this is nice. This is real nice, girl. This could also double as a foundation brush too. Like if you want a one brush kind of vibe, like maybe you're traveling or something, this is really nice. And for my blush, I'm going to be using this e.l.f. blush in the shade Coral Rush. Hopefully I didn't use too much, but I love blush, so it don't even matter. And I'm just a fluffy brush kind of girly, so I'm going to take this same side to blend this blush out. I love when my makeup is blended. Like everything does not have to be like super stark and super noticeable. Like one band, one sound. Okay. Wow, this blush is gorgeous, girl. Gorgeous. I used the perfect amount. I love how that blended out. So we're moving into concealer, and I have actually two concealers. They both are from e.l.f. One is a new shade I'm trying out, which is this one right here in the shade Deep Caramel, and then Tan Sand is their mattifying concealer, and I'm just gonna go on top with that just a little bit because I do like a little matte concealer. I like both. And then I'm going in with the Tan Sand, which is the mattifying concealer, and just a little bit because y'all literally can see how bright this was in one of my last videos. I was like, damn, I was not expecting that. Whoa, she was super bright, so I don't need much of that at all, and also had some really good coverage. I don't even know if the girls are underpainting like this. I just kind of do what makes sense to me. I don't know, was I supposed to put the concealer on first? Was I supposed to put the bronzer down last? I can't keep up, girl. I just do what works for me. For my under eye setting powder, I'm going to be using this one from Maybelline, and this one is in the shade Medium Deep 30, and this is just their loose finishing powder. I've always used this to bake with underneath my eyes and set my under eye concealer, so ain't nothing changed today, honey. I'm going right in with that powder. Powder. No powder. Y'all see how oily I am on this side? But this side definitely does have the powder underneath the eye. We still have to set everything else though. So, one moment. Whatever's left over on my sponge, I normally just kind of take my beauty blender to blend that right on out. And to set right here in this area. And to set my bronzer, I'm going to be using this one from Glamour Bronze. And, well, it's actually from Morphe, but this is the shade Glamour Bronze. I don't know if this has been discontinued or not, but I still have it in my collection, so I'm still using it, okay? And then I like to take my bronzer down my neck, just to kind of make everything a little bit more like nice chiseled, and yeah. And I just realized I forgot to set my whole face before we put on bronzer, so let me set my face before we go into blush. And I did go a little crazy with the bronzer on this side. I kind of brought it up a little bit too high, but I'll just go back in with my beauty blender. Did I go too crazy with the bronzer? What y'all think? I don't know. First of all, I love the liquid and powder bronzer combo. It just blended out so much better and looks so much more natural and effortless. Because sometimes I feel like when it comes to me just using powder bronzer, I really have to put in that work to make sure it's blended out and it doesn't look crazy. So having the liquid to put down first really made everything so much easier. And normally I powder my face. This is just the Black Radiant Soft Focus Pressed Powder, and normally I use this powder before I do powder bronzer, but because we did underpainting, I just wanted to set everything and then go in with my final finishing powder and set everything, if that makes sense. And I'm literally putting this over everything. I think the liquid and the powder combo really eats. Like, it really just makes everything blend a lot better on the face and really come together, girl. Love that. And this is one of my favorite powders. She ain't went nowhere, okay? Nowhere. I find myself always coming back to this one, cause she that one. This my girl. Oh, my face looks so pretty, girl. And for my blush, I'm using this Butter Melt blush from NYX, and this was in the shade Had Butter. All of their names have the word butter in it, which is cute. And this is a really pretty orange blush, which is cute. I love an orange blush on a black girl, okay? And now we have an affordable one that you guys can get from NYX. And I like this one. It's super pretty. It's not too much, because I feel like sometimes orange blush, it can be a little bit too much and too orange. But this one is like the perfect happy medium. I feel myself about to OD on this real fast. Sorry if I keep looking in the viewfinder. I'm just trying to make sure I'm in focus and my makeup is looking good, because the last camera lens I had for like the past 2 makeup videos gave me PTSD, because I'm like, damn, I kept having to look at the viewfinder. I'm like, am I in focus? Am I not in focus? What's up? I don't have time for that. I want to film my stuff and be done with it. We'll put a little on the nose too. I'm gonna go ahead and spray my face, and then I'm gonna pop my lashes on. So I am using this one from L'Oreal, and this is the Infallible 3-Second Setting Mist, and I love this, y'all. Get you one of these if you don't get anything else I have shown y'all in this video. Get this blush too. Y'all need the blush, and y'all need this setting spray. Since I didn't do any eyeshadow, I am going to go back in with my bronzer, and I'm just going to take this Morphe 330 brush, and I'm going to put a little bit of bronzer in my crease. And now I'm just going in with a little bit of this Maybelline Big Shot mascara, and I'm going to put this on my top and my bottom lashes. Y'all, I am a sucker for some bottom lashes. Like, oh my god, the look ain't even done till you have bottom lashes, especially if you're wearing lashes. Yeah. Do them bottom lashes, sis. You heard it here first. Then I'm just going to do my mole. And for my lips, I'm going in with this lip liner from NYX. And this is the Line Out Line lip pencil. And it's in the shade Rebel Kind. The girlies have been saying this is like one of the best drugstore lip pencils. Because y'all know that some of these brands ain't out here making lip liner dark enough for us, right? Oh, okay. Okay. Elf has one, and I was going to try that one because I think it's only like $7, $4, something like that. It's very inexpensive. But I'm just like, it could have been a little darker. Yeah. The packaging was tough, girl. Usually, I'm not a fan of lip pencils where I have to, like where they're like not pencil. Do y'all know what I'm talking about? It's not an automatic liner, but it kind of gives creamy vibes. We're gonna try it. We're gonna see. I'm gonna take that Blizz Tack I had on my lips off my lips. And y'all know I am not up for reapplying my makeup over and over and over. A lip cool, a lip liner cool, but not too much. So we're gonna see how this one wears throughout the night. And I did overline my lips just a little bit. We're just gonna stick to this one because I already had her out. This is literally my favorite lip color. It's so pretty. Like, it's nude, but it's pink. My vibe. So I'm gonna put a little bit of gloss on top, and this is the e.l.f. gloss in the shade Pink Cosmo, and this is one of their plumping lip glosses. So this is gonna make my lips look even more juicier. Kind of like a pink gloss with like a little bit of shimmer, like silver shimmer in it. So pretty. And I love how my lip liner blended out, but I think I'm gonna go back in with just a little bit more. Girl, well, I just realized I didn't even snatch my nose, but the whole face looks so snatched, I didn't even notice, okay? I actually love my nose, but ain't nothing wrong with snatching a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? It just kind of gives a little bit more definition to the face. That is pretty much it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys enjoyed the makeup content, make sure you give me a big thumbs up, and also smash that subscribe button before you leave, and comment down below and let me know what type of makeup look you guys want to see me do next, whether that's a little bit more eyeshadow, girl, pretty much whatever. And I don't really have a whole lot of drugstore makeup like I used to, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed this video nevertheless. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love y'all, and I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah. Ooh, it's already 8 o'clock. I said I was gonna be done at 8 o'clock. Listen, yikes.